Welcome to the Pirls Stock Market Commentary video, your weekly window on stock market technical conditions featuring the proprietary bull-bear point and figure market breadth summary chart for May 12th, 2019. Market breadth. With this past week's market decline, our bull-bear point and figure ratio at 0.78 fell from 1.11 last week. The total count of securities in bullish or bearish patterns decreased 1% to 2,967. The count of bearish stocks increased 17%, while the count of stocks in bullish patterns decreased 18%. The Pirls PNF market breadth summary chart shows us a market now 1 week in bearish territory. Paid subscribers have access to the Open Office Calc data from which the chart is generated. To subscribe to the S2P market signal, email s2pmarketsignal@protonmail.com for payment instructions. To subscribe to the weekly Pirls Stock Market Commentary, simply enter your email address in the space provided and click Follow. The well-known market breadth indicator, the Nasdaq McClellan Summation Index, fell 116 points for the 8th decline in 10 weeks, at a positive 253.44 points. It has fallen below the remaining 3 tops, the July 2017 top, the March 2018 top, and the August 2018 top, and continues below the January 2018 top, the June 2018 top, the February 2019 top, and the October 2017 top, and it continues above all 5 bottoms below minus 100 in the last 30 months. Volume analysis. In this week's volume analysis, the Nasdaq Composite Index ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode, with average daily volume higher than the prior week. In the last 2 weeks, the Nasdaq had 0 accumulation days and 4 distribution days. Accumulation days are counted when the index closes up on higher volume than the prior market day, while distribution days occur when the index closes down on volume higher than the prior market day. Last week, the Nasdaq ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode, on higher average daily volume. Momentum. The CCI 20 daily, in a Woody's uptrend, is now at a negative 149.55, down from a positive 106.04 last week. At Friday 5-3 close, it formed a zero-line reject long entry signal, with a prior day pivot within the plus or minus 50 range. At Tuesday, 5-7 close, it fell below the zero-line reject pivot point, so we exit the trade at Wednesday, 5-8 open. The result of this trade simulation was a loss of 35.61 points on the Nasdaq Composite Index, or minus $1.42 per share of QQQ. In Woody's CCI trading system, 6 consecutive bars above or below 0 are required for a change of trend. The weekly CCI 20 of the Nasdaq Composite Index began a Woody's uptrend 8 weeks ago, while the daily CCI 20 began a Woody's downtrend this past week. The CCI 20 weekly in a Woody's uptrend at a positive 81.31, fell from a positive 114.60 last week. With 14 weeks above 0, it continues in a Woody's uptrend and continues outside the plus or minus 50 range required for a valid zero-line reject long entry signal. Industry rotation the last 2 weeks. Only 2 of the top 5 industries are positive, and all of the bottom 5 are negative. Summary: REITs on the top, gold and silver oil services, and some tech on the bottom. Bullish, REITs continues in the top 5. Oil services continues in the bottom 5. Gold and silver continues in the bottom 5. Disk drives has left the bottom 5. Bearish, networkers has entered the bottom 5. KBW Bank and brokers have left the top 5. Oil has left the bottom 5. Focus this week from ofdollarsandData.com, quote, "When does market timing work?" end quote, by Nick Maggiuilli. Market timing versus buy and hold when missing the top bottom by 60 days. We were pleased to note that the author reached the same conclusion we reached 15 years ago when we developed S2P market signal, viz., the data suggests that using a quantitative, rules-based approach to market timing can yield positive results. Note the keywords quantitative and rules-based. Most market technical indicators use moving averages of various periods, which of course can be modified, but require 20/20 hindsight to be accurate. In contrast, a rules-based approach doesn't require a time period selection based on 20/20 hindsight, but it does require extensive research and analysis over a period of many years in various types of markets, ranging from choppy to strongly trending up or down. This is exactly how S2P market signal was built, and it has stood the test of time. 15 years of live weekly signals. We recommend reading the article as it does cover the basics. However, there are some key omissions. One is the importance of volume in the analysis of price action. Another is the importance of the ability of the individual investor to weather the drawdown. We found that to obtain highest performance, drawdown in the vicinity of 30% is not unreasonable. A common reaction to the article we noted in the comments is the assumption that rigged markets make attempts at market timing futile, if not impossible. In actual practice, a trend-following market timing system like S2P market signal pays attention to changes in volume which occur when large institutional investors scale into and out of markets, creating and ending market trends. As the article makes clear, it is not necessary to call exact tops and bottoms to profit from a robust market timing system. Successful market timing requires the ability to anticipate future declines and to act on them within a reasonable time frame. It doesn't mean that you have to know exactly when the top or bottom is, but it does mean that you need to have a general sense of the market's direction in the near future. We hope you will investigate how market timing systems can benefit your investing or trading. Many trading systems or stock selection software programs enable backtesting analysis using historical market data. Our Historical Signals page provides you with 15 years of both two-phase and three-phase market timing signals to assist you in maximizing your trading profits. Thank you for watching this week's Santu Pirls Stock Market Commentary video featuring the proprietary Bull Bear Point and Figure Market Breadth Summary Chart compiled by Donald Pearl, S2P Market Signal at protonmail.com. For Santu Pirls Stock Market Commentary, I'm Cynthia Pearl, hoping that you have been enjoying a peaceful and pleasant weekend, that you are looking forward to a prosperous and productive week coming up, and wishing you true success.